In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grok unable to reply problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, if you're seeing this issue, it could be due to a number of different reasons. So the first reason is because it's usually a connection, account, or temporary service hiccup. But what I found the best fix is to go ahead and clear your cache. So open up the web browser you're using. So I'm using Google Chrome. So we need to basically get into settings and then click into privacy and security and then find delete browsing data. So we need to delete cookies and cache. So click onto that and then click on show more. Make sure only cookies and other site data and cached image and files are selected, and also click onto more and we need to select all time as the time region. Then from there, go ahead and click on delete data. Now, if we're still having issues, we might need to go ahead and update Google Chrome or your web browser. So to do this, I'm going to click on about Chrome, and then if it says download and install or update, go ahead and update Google Chrome. Now, another fix we can try is to get into our extensions. So go ahead and click on extensions, click on manage extensions, go ahead and disable all your extensions, and then go back to Grok to see if that fixes your problem. If it does, you might have a rogue extension that is playing up. So we want to go ahead and just turn all these extensions off and then enable these one by one and find out which extension is the culprit.